Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to update PlayStation 5 controller on PC. Let's go. Open PlayStation website. Support. Hardware and repairs. Controllers. DualSense controller. Update device software on PC. Install PlayStation Accessories app. Connect the DualSense wireless controller to your computer via USB. If an update is available, you will see an update button. That's it. Now you know how to update PlayStation 5 controller on PC. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.